Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tishmina Latour. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this easy, effortless, beachy, no heat hair tutorial. So this is super simple, absolutely no heat. It takes about a few hours to do right out of the shower, and we're going to be using Ouai Haircare today by Jen Atkins. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I went ahead and washed my hair, just good old shampoo and conditioner. And the night before, I actually used coconut oil. I soaked my hair in coconut oil, just put it through my strands and a little bit in my roots. It's a good anti-inflammatory, so no dandruff and your hair will become longer. So I used this. It's called Parachute. It's an Indian brand. You can get at any Indian store or Middle Eastern store, but if that's not near you, you could also use one of these. It's just plain old coconut oil. You can pick it up at any grocery store, really. People also use this for cooking, so you can pretty much find it anywhere. So I put this in my hair last night, and then I just washed it out. And now, actually, since I just washed my hair, I put on some makeup, so it's been about 30 minutes since I washed my hair. So I used one of these. It's made out of cotton. You could pretty much pick this up anywhere. I got this back home in India. But if you don't have one of these, that's okay, because you could also use a t-shirt, which is cool. And just give it some time to suck out all the water, so your hair's not drenching wet when you start doing your hair care. So to get that wavy summer beachy look, I first start out by putting some leave-in conditioner. So what I'm using for my hair today is Ouai Haircare. It's by Jen Atkins. She's a celebrity hairstylist. So this is what I'm using. I've been using it for 8 months, so I know for sure this works on my hair, and it's actually amazing. I love it. So this is the Ouai Haircare leave-in conditioner. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that. There you go. Alright. So then I just spray this all over my hair, and it smells so good. I put this everywhere. So I really do love it. You could see how much I used already. I've been using this for 8 months, so it's lasted a really long time, and I absolutely love it. Next, I'm going to be using a wet brush. So you can't use a regular brush just because it causes damage on your hair, breakage, and split ends. So I use a wet brush. This has the boar bristle brushes, so which is really good for your hair. So that is what I'm using. It won't pull out too much hair, it won't cause breakage. So that's why I use the wet brush.
It's going to spread out all the leave-in conditioner, which is pretty good. So next, I'm going to be putting some wave spray. This is also by Ouai Haircare. Everything is by Ouai Haircare. Love it. This also smells so good, guys. This is their wave spray. This is actually the travel size. The full size is actually much bigger, but I actually wanted to try it out. And I also had this for 8 months, so it's lasted a really, really long time. I'm going to brush that out as well.
And next, we're going to use the air dry foam. I usually air dry my hair usually anyways. I never use a hair dryer unless it's a super emergency, I gotta go somewhere, I gotta look good, but I always do air dry my hair. So this is actually perfect for me because air dry, it does all the work for you. So in my opinion, this is really all you need if you don't want to pay for every single product and you just want to get one thing. This would be that one thing that I would pick up. So Ouai Haircare is also a luxury line, I would say, but it's moderately priced because Jen Atkins is also a celebrity hairstylist, so she does a lot of celebrity hair and she uses the exact same products. So I think it's really cool that it's also moderately priced, so all of us can use it as well. So next, all I'm going to be doing is braiding my hair, and that's pretty much it. I'm doing it tightly. They're not super loose or anything. I'm doing it tight so that the waves are really defined. It's not going to be super loose curls because we're also going to brush it out anyways. So while it's drying, I definitely want it to have I want it to dry tight. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna spray my hair with a hair perfume. So this is a body perfume, but it's also a hair perfume. This is also by Ouai Haircare. It smells like roses. It smells just like their rose hair and body oil, which is why I picked it up, because I originally bought this. I absolutely loved it and I wanted to smell like this all the time, but since it is oil, the smell won't stay as long. So I also bought it as a perfume because it just smelled so good. So I'm actually going to use these once it dries as well, but I'm actually going to spray this on my hair right now because while it dries, I want it to dry smelling like roses. So that's what I'm going to do. Nothing crazy. And then I'm just going to spray my body as well because it is also a body perfume. And that's it. I'm going to wait maybe 2 hours just for the sake of the video, but if I was washing my hair at night and I wanted my hair to be curly and wavy in the morning, I would sleep with it. So if it is nighttime for you and you just want something quick and easy for tomorrow morning, I would just leave it at this, sleep with it, and when you wake up in the morning, I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and I'll be right back in 2 hours. Okay guys, so I'm back. So it's been about 3 hours since we last spoke, so my hair should be dry. It feels dry, so I'm gonna just unbraid it. You can see the waves are already coming in. Okay, so this part is still a little bit wet, but that's okay. It's still gonna work. So it should look like this, depending on how you braided it. This is how I usually like my hair. Super effortless, beachy, wavy. Now I'm gonna spray some more of that wave spray that we were spraying before to really just keep those waves. On both sides. Okay. Alright. And you could probably see my roots look super crazy. That's just because my hair up here is just super dry. But don't worry, we're gonna fix that right now, boo. Now I'm gonna go back in with the rose hair and body oil. I used this before when my hair was still drenching wet, but now I'm gonna use it a little bit more. Nothing crazy, just a little bit goes a long way, because I'm also gonna be using the hair oil. This is just the same Ouai hair oil. I'm going to be using a little bit of both, and I'm going to be mixing it together. So they both smell really good. This one smells like jasmine, and this one smells like rose. I actually really like this one a little bit more, but I also love this one, the way it smells. So literally just using smallest amount. Okay, so this should really keep the frizz at bay. Okay. And then last but not least, I'm actually going to be using a little bit of pomade. This is the Ouai Matte Pomade. This is what it looks like. A little bit goes a long way with this one as well. This one smells so delicious, guys. All of her products just smell so good and so delicious. So if you have not tried any of the Ouai hair care products, definitely recommend them. They smell so good. You can get them at Sephora. I personally get them online on wavy.com because she also offers like free little goodies and free like samples that you could try. So this is what it looks like. Just a pomade. Alright. So actually this is actually a lot as it is, but this will work. And I'm just going to be putting it down on my roots up here. And I want those flyaways to stay down. That's why I'm using this. And that's pretty much it, guys, for my wavy hair tutorial. It is super beachy, super wavy, super effortless, and it is going to dry like this, so it is a little bit damp still, just because it has been 3 hours, but if you do sleep with it, it's going to dry completely and it's going to look like this. So if you do have semi-fine, straight, wavy hair like mine, this is how it's going to look. And that's all, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I can upload more videos like this. Next tutorial I'm going to do is going to be a makeup tutorial. So down in the comments, let me know what you guys want to watch. Other than that, I hope you guys have a really great day. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.